What if your next vehicle didn't need gas, expensive maintenance, or endless parking fees? In today's countdown, we're showcasing 10 electric bikes that could replace your car in 2026. These cutting-edge e-bikes deliver impressive speed, long-range batteries, smart technology, and everyday practicality. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring the city, or enjoying weekend rides, these innovative electric bikes prove that the future of personal transportation is already here. Number 1. Aventon Level 4. The Aventon Level 4 is a premium commuter e-bike designed for riders who want comfort, speed, and smart technology in one package. Built with a lightweight aluminum frame, it features a powerful 750-watt rear hub motor that delivers smooth acceleration and reaches speeds of up to 28 miles per hour with pedal assist. Its long-range removable 48-volt lithium-ion battery provides up to 70 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for daily commuting and weekend adventures. The bike comes equipped with hydraulic disc brakes, a front suspension fork, integrated LED lights, full fenders, and a rear cargo rack for added practicality. A full-color smart display with Bluetooth connectivity allows riders to track speed, battery life, navigation, and ride statistics through the Aventon mobile app. Wide, puncture-resistant tires ensure excellent grip and stability on city streets. Price: $1,999. Number 2. Wallke Ravager R60C. The Wallke Ravager R60C is a high-performance all-terrain electric bike built for riders who demand power, durability, and long-range capability. It features a 1,000-watt peak rear hub motor that delivers impressive acceleration and confidently tackles steep hills, rough trails, and city streets. The removable 48-volt lithium-ion battery provides a riding range of up to 80 miles with pedal assist, depending on terrain and riding conditions. A durable aluminum alloy frame, hydraulic disc brakes, and a front suspension fork ensure excellent control, comfort, and safety on every ride. The bike also includes a bright LCD display, integrated LED headlight, Shimano multi-speed drivetrain, fat puncture-resistant tires, and ergonomic handlebars for a smooth riding experience. Whether commuting, exploring off-road paths, or enjoying weekend adventures, the Wallke Ravager R60C combines rugged performance with modern technology, making it one of the standout electric bikes of 2026. Price: $2,299. Number 3. Segway Xaber 300 Dirt Bike. The Segway Safari 300 Dirt Bike is a next-generation electric adventure bike designed for riders who want powerful off-road performance with modern smart technology. It features a high-output electric motor that delivers strong acceleration, impressive torque, and a top speed suitable for both trails and rugged terrain. Its high-capacity removable lithium battery provides a long riding range on a single charge while supporting fast charging for added convenience. Built with a lightweight yet durable frame, the bike includes long travel suspension, hydraulic disc brakes, and aggressive all-terrain tires for excellent traction, stability, and control on dirt, gravel, and rocky paths. A full-color digital display shows speed, battery level, ride modes, and other essential information, while integrated smart connectivity enhances the riding experience. Price: $4,999. Number 4. Aventon Pace 5 REC. The Aventon Pace 5 REC is a premium comfort e-bike designed for smooth city commuting, fitness rides, and weekend adventures. It features a powerful 750-watt rear hub motor that delivers quick acceleration and pedal assist speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. A removable 48-volt lithium-ion battery offers a riding range of up to 70 miles on a single charge, depending on terrain and assist level. The lightweight aluminum frame, upright riding position, and suspension seat post provide exceptional comfort on longer rides. Equipped with hydraulic disc brakes, puncture-resistant tires, integrated LED lights, full fenders, and a rear rack, it is ready for everyday transportation. A full-color display with Bluetooth connectivity allows riders to monitor speed, battery status, ride modes, and trip data through the Aventon app. Price: $1,899. Number 5. Lectric XPress 2. The Lectric XPress 2 is a versatile commuter electric bike that combines performance, comfort, and affordability for everyday riders. Powered by a 750-watt peak rear hub motor, it delivers smooth acceleration and reaches pedal assist speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, making it ideal for city commuting and recreational rides. Its removable 48-volt lithium-ion battery provides an estimated range of up to 60 miles per charge, depending on riding conditions and assist level. The lightweight aluminum frame, front suspension fork, and ergonomic geometry ensure a comfortable ride over paved roads and light trails. Equipped with hydraulic disc brakes, puncture-resistant tires, integrated LED lights, color LCD display, Shimano gearing, and multiple pedal assist modes, it offers confidence and convenience for daily travel. Smart features and reliable components make the Lectric XPress 2 an excellent choice for riders seeking efficiency, value, and dependable performance in 2026. Price: $1,399. Number 6. Specialized Vado 3X. The Specialized Vado 3X is a premium performance e-bike built for fast commuting, fitness riding, and long-distance adventures. It features a smooth and efficient specialized mid-drive motor that delivers natural pedal assistance with excellent torque for climbing hills and maintaining speed. The integrated lithium-ion battery offers a riding range of up to 90 miles, depending on terrain and assist mode. Its lightweight aluminum frame, front suspension fork, and ergonomic riding position provide outstanding comfort and stability on both city streets and light gravel paths. The bike is equipped with hydraulic disc brakes, high-quality Shimano drivetrain components, integrated LED lighting, full fenders, and a rear cargo rack for everyday practicality. A full-color display with smart connectivity allows riders to monitor speed, battery status, navigation, and ride data through the specialized app. Price: $3,999. Number 7. KOSMOS Hubless e-bike. The KOSMOS Hubless e-bike is a futuristic electric bicycle that stands out with its eye-catching hubless wheel design and advanced engineering. Built for urban commuting and technology enthusiasts, it combines sleek styling with reliable everyday performance. The bike is powered by a high-efficiency electric hub motor that delivers smooth acceleration and pedal assist speeds suitable for city riding. Its removable lithium-ion battery provides a riding range of up to 50 to 60 miles on a single charge, depending on terrain and assist level. A lightweight aluminum frame, hydraulic disc brakes, front suspension, and wide puncture-resistant tires ensure comfort, stability, and confident handling on various road surfaces. The KOSMOS also features a full-color digital display, integrated LED lighting, smart connectivity, and multiple riding modes for a personalized experience. Price: $3,499. Number 8. CYBERVELO EK 92.0. The CYBERVELO EK 92.0 is a high-performance electric bike engineered for riders who want speed, advanced technology, and long-range capability. Powered by a powerful 1,000-watt peak rear hub motor, it delivers rapid acceleration and confidently handles steep hills, city streets, and light off-road trails. Its removable 48-volt lithium-ion battery provides a riding range of up to 80 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and pedal assist level. The lightweight aluminum frame, front suspension fork, and ergonomic geometry offer a smooth and comfortable riding experience. Equipped with hydraulic disc brakes, a Shimano multi-speed drivetrain, integrated LED lights, puncture-resistant tires, and a full-color LCD display, the EK9 2.0 combines safety with convenience. Smart connectivity allows riders to monitor speed, battery status, ride modes, and trip data. Price: $2,999. Number 9. Urtopia Carbon Atom. The Urtopia Carbon Atom is an ultra-lightweight premium electric bike designed for riders who value cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and exceptional efficiency. Built around a high-strength carbon fiber frame, it offers outstanding durability while keeping the overall weight remarkably low for effortless handling. Its efficient rear hub motor delivers smooth pedal assistance with speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, while the integrated lithium-ion battery provides a riding range of up to 75 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions. The bike features hydraulic disc brakes, a carbon fork, puncture-resistant tires, integrated LED lighting, GPS tracking, anti-theft security, fingerprint unlocking, and a smart digital display with Bluetooth connectivity. Riders can also access navigation, fitness tracking, and ride statistics through the Urtopia mobile app. Price: $3,999. Number 10. Also TMB Launch Edition. The Also TMB Launch Edition is a futuristic electric bike concept that blends advanced mobility technology with sleek modern styling. Designed for urban transportation and everyday commuting, it features a high-efficiency electric drive system that delivers smooth acceleration, quiet operation, and responsive performance for city streets. Its high-capacity lithium-ion battery offers an estimated riding range of up to 60 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and assist mode. The lightweight aluminum frame, ergonomic riding position, and premium suspension provide a comfortable experience over various road surfaces. Equipped with hydraulic disc brakes, integrated LED lighting, a smart digital display, multiple riding modes, and wireless connectivity, the TMB Launch Edition offers both convenience and safety. Its futuristic design, premium components, and innovative technology make it an exciting glimpse into the future of personal electric transportation and one of the most talked about e-bikes of 2026. Price: $4,499. Thanks for watching. Which electric bike impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing future vehicles, electric bikes, and cutting-edge technology. See you in the next video.